Good morning. It's just before 6 in the morning and I realized my flight isn't until 11:55. However, I wanted to be sure I was getting up early enough. I did some stretches. I don't know, I just want to start waking up earlier. I'm just gonna kind of walk around and make sure I have everything. I'm also digging that my phone works, like with my complete unlimited plan here, so I don't have to worry about it. Still, like, I don't want to film in an airport. I don't know why. I just feel weird about it. Literally nobody else. I don't know. I don't know what to say right now. I also don't know where breakfast is. I just know there is breakfast. They never actually told me, like, it's on this floor, like over there. So I'm just gonna kind of wander around. My little card doesn't tell me where it is. Oh, yeah, it does. It says second floor. I'm an idiot. Dummy. I'm hungry. That breakfast was actually pretty decent for a free breakfast. And they had like an automated coffee machine and with a bunch of different choices. So I got a little baby cappuccino. Look at it. Smells really good, but I don't know if it will be good. Can you hear that plane? Can you hear that plane? And I'm going to drink my little coffee, my cappuccino. So I think I'm just gonna hang out here, drink my coffee, watch some TV until around 8, and then I will check out here and then walk 600 feet to the airport, get all checked in, because I don't have my actual boarding pass. I have some electronic ticket. There aren't a lot of things on TV right now, so I just had one sip of that cappuccino and put it down because honestly it's pretty terrible. I'll probably drink more of it in the next hour. I slept for so long and I'm still tired. Got my passport. And this isn't, it says not valid for travel.
Have a good flight, guys.